Hi, I'm Samantha, and this is Book Journey Channel. If you feel like your financial life is going in circles and not moving forward, this video is for you. Together, we're going to start an 8-week journey that has helped many people change their lives. This journey is based on the book Business of the 21st Century. It's a real and actionable training plan to build your money mindset, create a network, grow personally, and start building wealth. Week 1. Shift your money mindset. You need to know where you are in your journey and what is holding you back. Exercises. Place yourself in one of the 4 income quadrants, E, S, B, or I. Write down 5 limiting beliefs about money you learned as a child or from society. Decide to rewrite and replace one of those beliefs this week. Week 2. Why network marketing? This business model is not just about selling. It's a system for learning, growing, and building a team. Make a list of 10 people in your circle who have the motivation to grow. Message 3 people and share the business model with them. No pressure, just an introduction. Write a short paragraph, why I chose this path, and practice saying it in front of a mirror. Week 3. Business experience and personal growth. Real wealth means growing yourself. Exercises. Every night, write down one new business or relationship experience you had that day. Choose one simple skill, like presenting, communication, or managing money, and practice it for 20 minutes every day. Ask one person for feedback about your attitude or work style. Week 4. Social connections and networking. Financial change is not possible without good people around you. Exercises. List the 5 people you spend the most time with. Do they help you grow or hold you back? Attend one online or in-person event focused on growth or business. Build meaningful connections with 2 new people this week. Learn from them or help them. You have completed a month of training so far. Give yourself a hug and give yourself a gift because you are 5% of the population. Okay, next week's schedule. Week 5. Build a scalable business. Your job shouldn't be your prison. It should grow even when you're not working. Exercises. Write your personal story about your product or experience, around 3 minutes. Record a short video of yourself telling the story, even if it's just for practice. Invite a potential team member to join a 10-minute call. Week 6. Leadership development. Becoming a leader starts when you learn to inspire others. Exercises. Write down 3 qualities of your ideal leader. Which ones do you have? Which ones do you need to build? Take responsibility for leading a small meeting or discussion this week. Have a feedback session with one team member focused on growth, not criticism. I hope you have completed the program. If you need more time, it is okay to complete a program in 2 weeks. Just do it. Week 7. Smart financial planning. Extra income will disappear if you don't have a plan. Exercises. Write down your 5-year financial goal with numbers and a date. Review your current income. How much can you save or invest? Open a savings account or investment account, even if you start with just $2 a week. Week 8. Dare to dream. Without dreams, you have no map for your future. Exercises. Write your ideal life story for the next 3 years. Record it in your own voice and listen to it every morning. Create a simple drawing or collage of this life, digital or on paper. And here's the mind map for this 8-week journey to build your money mindset and enter the world of financial freedom. Each week has just a few exercises, but each exercise is a real step towards building a new future. If you start today, in 8 weeks, not only your finances, but also your mindset and your network will be transformed. But this is just the beginning. We're here to explore great books together, not just to read them, but to learn, practice, and create real changes in our lives. Next, we'll dive into more amazing books full of practical ideas for growing your money and your mindset. So, if you don't want to just be a listener, and you want to really take action, stay with us. Follow the channel and share your exercises with us. The real journey is just getting started.